Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Above-ground pools require a base material to be laid for the construction of the pool. Mason sand or stone dust base material is used most often. Mason sand, also known as pool sand, will create a very smooth bottom layer and is the most popular choice.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
2 inches. Sand depth. Also, sand under an above-ground pool acts as cushioning for its floor, making it more comfortable for feet. The standard depth of sand that should be used under an above-ground pool's floor is 2 inches.
Take our lead.
Plastic sheeting is the absolute worst material to place under an above-ground pool during installation. It does not prevent weed growth and does not control bugs and critters. But the biggest reason to avoid plastic sheeting is the fact it causes a swimming pool to rust out very quickly.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Gorilla Pad is high-quality floor padding that protects the bottom of your swimming pool liner. While Gorilla Pad looks like felt material, it effectively stops glass, grass, and rocks from coming up into your liner.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.